Let's make some DIY washi tape. I have all kinds of scrapbooking paper that is beautiful. All you're gonna need for this project is some double-sided tape and some packing tape. I'm cutting it into strips the size of our double-sided tape. I've got all these pretty papers and I'm putting them on some parchment paper and laying the packing tape on top of it, making sure it's pressed down really well. And then I'm gonna cut those into strips. I'm gonna soak them in some water and you're gonna let it sit for about 5 minutes, and then we're gonna rub the paper off the back and we're left with a transparent pattern from the scrapbooking paper. Now I'm putting some double-sided tape down on that parchment paper, and then I'm gonna lay packing tape on top of it, and it's going to make the back of it sticky. Now here's a little hack. This is the lid off of my dry shampoo bottle. Roll it on there. It's ready to stay put until you're ready to craft with it.